Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to Sujin Archive English. And today time is now 5:40 a.m. in the morning, and date is 24th. That is Friday, 24th July. Today I wanna share a few things. Okay, a few things where you can refine yourself as far as eating habits are concerned. Okay, so let's start. Just now I had a strong hot filter coffee, which was awesome because it's too cold here. Since few days it's been raining here, so it's a fantastic climate. So I got up early. I prepared a hot filter coffee. I finished just a while ago. I finished drinking my hot coffee. Now let's move on to the subject. So first point is like when you are eating your food, okay, in public, not at home. When you're eating your food in public, say like in restaurants or in your conference hall meetings or in your parties, whatever it is, you must not produce any kind of sound while you eat. Do you understand? Whatever you are eating should be well kept in your mouth. The sound must not come outside and must not disturb others, or it should not frown others. Do you understand? So try to avoid making sound while you eat your food. So this is first point. Second point, people sometimes drink water not by sipping. They used to drink like this, isn't it? Without touching their lips. So what they have to do, even the few people make a sound that kind of gulping. Do you understand? That gulping sound also you must avoid. So better drink water without making any sounds. Whatever you are eating, you must not make any sound outside. That should not be audible to others. Okay. So this is second point. Now the third point is very, very important. What is, if you are eating in public, in restaurants or parties or conference meeting halls or in your office, whoever you are sitting along with your colleagues or peers, so when you are after eating, you should not burp. Do you understand? You should not burp at all. If you could not control it, you can keep your hanky or your napkin. You can cover your face like that, and that should not make a prominent sound to others. Do you understand? Burping is, I won't say that burping is a bad habit. It's quite natural. Anyways, you cannot control it, but still, in public, you should not burp aloud. Do you understand? You should not make a sound at all. Now, so what you have to do is try to cover yourself, your mouth with some napkins, and try to avoid burping in public. When you're at home, it's your private space, it's your private time, where you can do whatever you like. But in public places, please try to avoid burping, because that burp sound itself makes one frown, and the burp gas is a poisonous gas. So person who is sitting in front of you, people who are sitting in front of you, they may get affected by this poisonous gas. Do you understand? So try to avoid this. These three habits, try to avoid this. And one more I would like to say, whatever I'm posting it in Sujin Archive English, it's absolutely, I'm following 101%. Okay, what all I'm following it, I'm giving you a suggestions. Just a kind of a small refinement or a kind of a small change in our individual diet, because each and everyone, we used to grow up, or we used to live, or we used to learn from our parents right from our childhood, isn't it? But sometimes we may not know how we are behaving in public. Sometimes we may not know what mistakes we are doing in public, but other people might have noticed us, and they would have had a comment kind of passing or bullying or something else. So try to avoid that. So better let us refine ourselves instead of others pointing us badly. Do you understand? So I hope you like this video. I would request to like, share and subscribe. Please share this to your friends also. So I hope you are gonna enjoying this weekend, because today is Friday. So Saturday, Sunday have a very fantastic day. Let's meet in next session. Okay, see you, tata, bye bye, miss you all.